Did you remove phone link from Windows 11 and now want to get it back? In my previous video, I showed you how to remove phone link using PowerShell. But what if you change your mind and want to use phone link again? In this video, I'll show you how to restore phone link using a simple PowerShell command. I tested this method on Windows 11 25H2, and it worked. Let's get started. Now copy the command shown on the screen. Paste it into the administrator PowerShell window and press enter. The command will look for the phone link package and register its AppXManifest again. Wait a few moments while Windows processes the command. You may not see a large installation window. That's normal. The important thing is to let PowerShell finish processing the command. If the command completes without an error, close PowerShell. Now let's see if phone link has been restored. Press the Windows key and type phone link and there it is. Phone link is back. Let's open it. The application starts normally, which means phone link has been restored successfully. You can now go through the normal setup process and connect your phone again. There is one important thing to understand. This method works when the phone link application files are still available on the system and only the app's registration has been removed. If the phone link package and its files have been completely deleted from the computer, this command may not be enough to reinstall the application. But if you removed phone link using the method from my previous video, this restore method may work because the required application files can still be present. I tested it on Windows 11 25H2, and it successfully restored phone link. And that's how you can restore phone link on Windows 11 after removing it. If you followed my previous video to remove phone link and later changed your mind, now you know how to bring it back. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Koa Nguyen Computer, and leave a comment if you'd like more Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching.